We're out fishing, and there's already a very, very big disturbance. It's driving me nuts. But it's kind of what happens when you go fishing. We saw a couple turtles way over there on the other side of the water. Went to find one, or grab one, and they went into the water. Yeah, we're having all sorts of fun. Oh, and my mom gave me a necklace with the ring on it because she's going in for surgery here soon. Actually, I think it's tomorrow. We'll be at her Nana's house for 3 days while she's in. Oh, and I have a monster. Don't really know what else to really do out here other than, well, fish and screw around. Bobber's right over there. Probably can't even see it because it's so tiny. Oh, by the way, I'm also fishing with somebody's dock. I'm right here! Parker, right here! Hi, Mom. Nope. It's a video. Yeah, these planes are very crappy. What? I don't care if I do or not. Just something fun to do with my time. Okay, one of my previous videos is public humiliation. My brother has been ticked off at me about it for, well, since I posted it. I think I might end up actually taking it down. Then again, there's a chance I might not. Well, he's running his mouth saying that I'm never going to become famous on YouTube. Which, like I just said, I don't really care if I do. It's just something to do with my spare time. And my bob removed. That's kind of weird. That's the end of this, well, probably very boring to you guys video, but it's something at least. Bye. Have a nice day.